In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put PS5 save data on USB. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, connect your USB stick to your PS5. And after connecting the USB, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to system software, and here go to backup and restore. Now here go to backup your PS5. Now here it is saying that it is recommended that you should sync your information with PlayStation Network. So if you want, you can sync. Here are the steps given how you can sync that. And so we are putting our save data on USB, so we'll just continue with our backing up. So go on yes and press X, and now here you have to wait for a few seconds to a minute. Now here select the things that you want to save on your USB, and then after selecting, press the right arrow on your controller and it will take you on next, and on next press X. Now here it's saying you can download this game again from PlayStation Source, so you have to just press X on OK and then press X on backup, and your PS5 will restart. So after your PS5 restarts, you will see something like this: backing up, and do not turn your PS5, and you have to press the PS button on your controller, and then this process will start, the backing up process. So you have to wait for it to back up. So you have to wait for how much time it is showing, and make sure you don't turn off your PS5. And after the backup process is done, you will see something like this. So you have to just press X on your controller and your PS5 will restart again. And so this is how you can put your PS5 save data on USB. Thanks for watching.